And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a cloud filter. Got the original right here. We can directly use it. Go to filters, decor, and use fog. The simple menu. At first we've got the layer name, so a new layer is being created. For this fog, we can pick a color. We've got the turbulence slider. By default, I guess it's at 1.0. The opacity, keep it at 100. Just confirm. And here is our new cloud layer. Let's go to filters and show the fog menu again. Now we go up with the turbulence. And it gives us much harsher transitions. So you can really see these clouds now. If you want to have the softest transitions between these cloud elements, go down with the turbulence to 0. And it's very smooth now. So here was 0, this was the highest. Always keep the opacity 100, we can change it later on for the layer anyway. And if you don't want to have a warm cloud effect, you can change the color to a cold color. Let's use blue, which fits well with this image. And you have this effect. You can even combine both of them. And as I've said, here's the opacity function on top. So you can play around with that right here in the layers menu. And this is how you can create these cloud filters in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.